Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm called Opiro Robert, an ICT teacher. This channel is called Academic Journey, where we shall be giving you full dose of your technology insight. The insight of what you basically need to have in order to effectively use applications, especially the common applications that we shall common users have: Word document, PowerPoint, presentations, database, publisher, and so on. But first, we shall start by looking at the first item that always all the computer users must put into account in order to manage their data well, so that they don't take a lot of time looking for where they have placed their data. And this is the concept of folder. It is one of the key aspects where all the computer users must really take into account. Now, a folder by definitions is a container where different informations are kept, or it is a name storage locations where different files and other subfolders are grouped together. Now, in these first lessons, we shall first take to look at how do we create our folder and what are other properties of the folder that the users basically have to put into account. So the first let's dive into the lesson straight away. If you need to create your folder, especially on any storage medium, the procedure is the same. What we shall demonstrate is on the desktop, and it is the same procedure that you can use to create it whenever you need to create a folder. One, come to an empty space on the desktop like this, an empty space, right click, come to the option new, tap onto folder, and a new folder will be created. Now once a new folder is created, you can just give it a name, because we have said it's a name storage locations where different information are kept. So we are calling it branch. We are calling this folder name as branch. Row, we are calling it as Opiro, and tap outside. So this folder called Opiro has been created. We can do other operations here. One, we can delete this folder away by right clicking. We come to delete. Remember, once you delete, your folder will go to the recycle bin, and therefore you will not have it on the desktop here. Two, we can as well give another name to this folder by right clicking. We come to rename. Instead, let us change it to Robert. From Opiro, we change it to Robert. You'll have given it a name. Another operations that a user can easily do is to move this folder from these locations maybe to another locations down here. How do you do that? All on your left button of the mouse, click all and drag and drop. The folder will be placed on a new locations. We can equally take it back using the same procedure. Now, once you have created this folder, you can as well create another folder inside this main folder, Robert. That folder that you are going to create will be called a subfolder. A subfolder is a folder found inside another folder. How do we do that? Just double click to open it, or right click. It is open here. It is the folder Robert which is created. You can see its name here. The name is up here. It's Robert. Now we can create another subfolder inside this folder called Robert by using two ways. One, we can still right click inside. We come to new, and then we tap on folder. Tap on folder. Folder is up. Folder, new folder will as well be created. Or two, we can just come to the new folder here. We click it, and a new folder will as well be created. We can give it a name. We can say maybe this time is some name, which is let us say this is root. So a folder called root is placed inside the main folder, which is Robert. So this root becomes a subfolder to the main folder Robert. Then we can as well check on other properties of this folder. That is other operations that you can do. How do we do that? We right click inside, and then we come to property, and when we come to property 1, it will give us the name of the main folder, which is Robert. Yeah, it is okay. Then the folder path, where is this folder located? We see that is found on local DC. The user of DC, the administrator of this computer, is called user, and this computer that we have given it the name as HP, and immediate locations where we can find this folder is on the desktop. The size of this folder is 0 byte. It does not contain anything, and then it contains one folder. This folder contains one folder inside it, and then the folder was created on Wednesday. The folder was created on Wednesday, May 2024 at 5:30 p.m. And this is basically how you can simply create a folder on the desktop so that you can keep your other thing. In the next video, we shall be looking at other operations. Basically, we shall look at file. Thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe so that when we post new content, you are notified. God bless you.